Wala na itong vlog ka ron.
Taga-asa ka dong!
Taga-suminot!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry, I'm so hungry today. Like, I'm so hungover. We're going to and oh my god guys, I'm so sad because the Philippines did not win Miss Universe. My gosh. But the South Africa is pretty and she's humble and I like her story, so it's fine. It's just so sad she did not get to top 5.
Nice answer.
God, my face is so whatever. Okay, bye.
Dear future boyfriend, kung gusto niyo sana magkuyanta, sige i-replay lang ning kanta paminawa.
So we're finished with that. I don't know where we're going next. What's the agenda for today? Food. Oh my god.
Food
So I like that because I haven't seen a cave with a food. I think I did sa Chiang Mai, but it's nothing like that. So I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy that I did it. So yes.
Because
National
we are
Bridge.
Vlogging, that's why we get left.
She's also vlogging, guys. All vlogging now.
Miss, taga-asa mo.
Gagas Australia!
Dili ay, taga-wop-wop mo, oy. Sige na. Oh.
Wala-walahin man ako.
Oh, klaro yun yung...
Interview. Unsa man? Okay, taga-asa mo, miss. Oh.
Reaction food.
Saan, naka-ready na lang?
Taga-asa mo, miss.
Gagas Australia!
No muna.
Oh, sige na ako, sige. Namatay ka.
Klaro inyong kuan.
Ang music producer.
Oy, girl, pag move on na. Gipulihan na ka maong pag move on na. Gibinuang andra kay taon pag move on na. Eh, di pa ni mo siya bana. Ayaw kataranta pag move on na. Sakit kayo huna-hunaon. Eh, imong gi-invest imong kaugalingon. Oh, sa tao nga wala joy, klaro. Hey, pangitaglain ka ng seryoso. Toto? I know nasakitan ka kay lagi taga banwa.